Hey, how you doing, art lovers? You caught me. I don't remember what this is. Honestly, I don't remember. Looks like a 12-inch circle. I put down my undercoat and I was just blowing the bubbles out when you guys came online. Or when the cameras just decided to start recording. Got some, was that a, you got these things right here, these bubbles, but they're not popping for some reason. Alright. I think I'll do a Dutch pour today. Got some spring colors here. Still aren't popping. And I don't know if we'll use all these colors that I have, but this side we're using Deco Art Americana craft paint. Sour apple, blue, red, blue turquoise, pink, bright orange, yellow. Like I said, I don't know if we'll use them all or not. And then on this side, over here, we have the Craftsmart metallic paint. And that's the ice blue pearl. We have a bright gold. And then we got the white pearl. And then I've got the just the plain gold. Dark golden cap. Not sure which we're going to use all those or not either. So. Whoa! Where'd you go? I seen you. Oh, I know I seen him. Gotta catch him in the light just right. There it is. Don't need that in there. Little hair looks like. It's probably mine. Alright. Got a big arts and craft show coming up here in May. Actually, there's two of them, and I'm trying to decide which one I want to go to. One's kind of a little local thing, and then the other one is a big art show held at the State Fairgrounds in one of their exhibiting buildings. I was there a couple of years ago, and there was like 400 different types of artists, from watercolors to oil to, I mean, you name it, it was there. No little hair. I don't know where the little hairs came from. Alrighty, that looks good. I thinned this down. This is a light blue, sky blue is what they call it. And then I thinned it down with my 90% water, 10% Floetrol. alrighty. Well, a little bit of sour apple, I think, right here. I think I'm gonna. This is kind of like center. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some sour apple there. Might hit a little bit of red. And let's go with the. No. Let's go with the pearl blue metallic. Sounds like the wash machine's off the balance. There's. End up with some bright yellow. And then on top of that, I'm going to do some white pearl. I might do some white pearl right down here in your red too, just a little thin line. We're getting the bubbles. Popping the bubbles. Gotta pop the bubbles. Then this is my island. Island, can't hardly see it, but it's island blue, sky blue. We'll get more bubbles. Put a nice big thing on that. That kind of white pearl just kind of sunk right into the thing, didn't it? Alrighty, art lovers, hold your ears. That is cool. I like that. And there's no silicone in any of these. But when I do use silicone, there's another error. Right in the middle of my flower. If I do use silicone, my silicone that I use is the treadmill, spot on treadmill. See that? Okay. But there's no silicone in there. That is cool. My white pearls kind of, I don't know, disappeared. It's got to be in there somewhere. But that, I mean, I don't know if I could blow some of that color up into there or not. Alright, art lovers, hold your ears. can't. I like that. That's cool. And that blue is popping through. Surprised with all the lacing that I got in here. It's like cool. Come on, focus. See all the lacing over there? Huh. That one spot right there dried already. Bubble there. Bubble there. Some reason these tiny little bubbles ain't popping with the torch. But the center right here, I need to get me something different, some kind of a because this I don't do too many of these because for some reason I don't know if I've got it set on low, but it still gets too hot and it dries out the paint too fast. But I don't know, I think that's pretty cool. I like that. Just kind of exploded, and then I got lacing going this way and lacing going that way, and then I do got like a leaf right there. So actually cells popping up there. I like that. Alright, all you art lovers, leave down in the comments what do you think of this. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when you're uploading new videos. Look down in my descriptions box on my home page. There's a bunch of links there. Even some links to Amazon where you can go through, and no additional cost to you, but I get a little kickback. Keeps me supplied in paint, canvases, and such. But like, share, comment, and tell me what you think. I like this, and I think I'm going to leave it. Dried pictures of it will be at the end of the video. So alright, lover. Art lovers, get out there. Till next time, get out there and paint something.